Hi everyone, welcome back. So after let's see publishing the model as artifact, now the next step is to use this model and build our Docker image. And to build your Docker image, and let's see if you are using let's see a self agent, you have to run your Docker desktop like this. It has to be running. It's like it's the same as when you try to run your Docker commands, it has to be running. So because I'm using the same machine, also this one has to be running. But if you use Linux, it might be another issue, different stuff. Okay, so we see it now. Let's see, just close this. We have said we have published the artifacts. Now let's have a look on the Docker image. So I will just use this Docker image which is already discussed, but you can see now I just changed the wizard model. Yeah. So now from this model, just copy pattern model. So this one here. So it will try to copy the model from here. Okay. So let's have a look on the pipeline build. So you can use, of course, you can use Docker task, but for me, it's not indeed working because the image it's not tagged, and I have tried several times, but it's not working. So the first step now, after let's see publishing the artifacts, now I would like to download this build artifact. You can see this is task. So I will download it in the directory, and then I will run this command here. It's a normal command. Let's say docker command. This is, for instance, no cache, just to save memory. This is the tag and the file with the file, and this is the same directory. Let's see the other stuff. Now, after building this, I will you will see now the image in this let's see desktop Docker desktop. So if now I run this, let me just move this, and let me now run this command, I mean this, and I will show you the result. And of course, if I have any issue, I will let you know, of course, as usual. So as you can see here, that the artifacts list is already downloaded. Now the command of building the Docker image, it's running right now. So a few seconds, let's see, we can see the output of this building a command. By the way, before I let's see recording a video, I have to do all of these steps uh, uh, before recording, and just to make sure that everything it will run, let's see, smoothly. And I don't want you to, let's see, be in a, let's see, hard, let's see, situation. So I have to prepare everything from scratch and solve the issues before the recording, and just record the best, let's see, stuff. Now, yeah, please like the videos and subscribe into my channel. So I will post the video again, and we can see the result. Okay, as you can see here, if you see now the logs, it's like when you build your Docker image. As you can see here, it's downloading everything, and let's see, have a look on the Docker. As you can see here, the Docker image is already generated in 35 seconds. Now, this is now our image. And what is the next step indeed? The next step is to, let's see, go to this one here. And if you remember last time, we have created a container registry. And now we need to publish our image, a Docker image in this container registry. And why we need this? Because next time we would like to deploy this in the Kubernetes. And we will see this in the next couple of videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.